In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to appear offline on Snapchat. 1. Launch the Snapchat app on your device and sign into your account. 2. Tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen, and this will take you to your profile page. Look for the gear icon in the upper right corner of your profile page. Next, tap on it to access the Snapchat settings menu. Within the settings menu, locate and tap on See My Location. This will bring up options related to your Snapchat location settings. On the See My Location screen, you'll find 3 options: Ghost Mode, My Friends, and Select Friends. To turn off your location completely and thus your active status, tap on Ghost Mode. Once you've tapped on Ghost Mode, your location and active status will be turned off automatically. You'll no longer appear as active to your friends on Snapchat. And that's it, guys. Following these steps, you can effectively turn off your active status on Snapchat and enjoy increased privacy and control over your online presence. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.